Hello, have you ever heard of Ora-Pro-Nóbis? Should you be eating this plant every day? What are the health benefits it brings and what are the possible drawbacks? Today, I'm going to show you everything about this superfood that is taking the world by storm. In today's video, we'll explore the incredible benefits of Ora-Pro-Nóbis. Can it really lower cholesterol, reduce joint and muscle pain, and even aid in healing? Stay tuned until the end to discover the top 5 benefits and the potential risks of including this plant in your daily diet, Before we get started, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any health tip. Share this video with your friends and family, because health is something worth sharing, Ora-Pro-Nóbis is known for its exceptional nutritional properties. It is a native plant of Brazil, found from Bahia to Rio Grande do Sul, and can be easily grown in your backyard or even in a pot. The name Ora-Pro-Nóbis comes from Latin and means pray for us. The plant earned this name during the gold rush in Minas Gerais when poor people collected it near churches to stave off hunger, Now, let's get to the benefits, Benefit number 5, improves skin, rich in vitamin C. It combats skin damage like spots and wrinkles and promotes collagen production, essential for skin firmness and elasticity. Additionally, its flavonoids protect against UV rays, and its anti-inflammatory properties reduce redness. Benefit number 4, helps with depression. Ora-Pro-Nóbis is rich in tryptophan, a precursor to serotonin, which regulates mood, anxiety, and sleep. Serotonin is known as the happiness hormone and also contributes to the production of melatonin, essential for a good night's sleep, Benefit number 3, boosts immunity. With nearly 200 milligrams of vitamin C per 100 g of fresh leaves, Ora-Pro-Nóbis strengthens the immune system. It is also rich in magnesium, manganese, and zinc, essential nutrients for maintaining immune function, Benefit number 2, lowers cholesterol. Its soluble fibers, especially pectin, form a gel that reduces cholesterol absorption in the intestine, helping to control blood cholesterol levels, and finally, Benefit number 1, strengthens muscles. Rich in proteins, more than 20 g per 100 g of flour, calcium, magnesium, and potassium, Ora-Pro-Nóbis is excellent for muscle gain and improving athletic performance. This also helps you burn calories and increases your basal metabolic rate. And if you want to burn up to 30% more calories, I have an extra tip for you. If you want to know what it is, click on the first link in the description or the pinned comment, Did you like the video? Don't forget to share it so more people can learn about the benefits of Ora-Pro-Nóbis. Leave your comment below about your experience with this plant. See you in the next video.